No! You look like mommy when I get tied up in my feet with my dancing.
Do it again?
That's the way. That's a big girl. That's a big girl. You're so proud of yourself, too. That's what I like. So proud. Boom. It's getting harder as she gets more tired.
And she's distracted by a book.
Hey, if you're going to be distracted by something, a book is a good thing to be distracted by.
Come on.
Not to me.
Oh, look at her. She's determined. She's like, I'm going to do it. Doing it now. Come on. That's the way.
Hi.